Right guys, what I'm going to be showing you today is a TradingView indicator that will change the way you trade. Now that's what it done for me. I was unprofitable for so long. Using this indicator makes life so much simpler. I can do it around other things in the day, and I simply get an alert on my phone or the PC when to take the trades. Now this honestly is the easiest and most profitable indicator I've ever seen. You're getting a profit margin of 95% win rate. Okay, so I'm going to jump in now. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Do this for educational purposes only. Right now, here we are. We're on TradingView. We're on the daily time frame for Solana, and we have the signaler indicator installed. Okay, so that's what I'll be talking about today. It's the signaler indicator. First things first, what we have to do is come over, click this arrow, and scroll down until you get to Heikin Ashi candles. Okay, so the Heikin Ashi candles is exactly where it works the best for this indicator. Okay, so it's going to be nice and simple. It actually called a long signal 3-4 days ago on Solana. It's currently at entry as anyway, so this potentially could even be a little trade insight for you. Okay, but what I want to show you is exactly how this works. Okay, we've got a short signal here. So if we are looking for a short, it means we are looking for a sell. Now, when we get the alert, the arrow will tell us exactly where to put it. Okay, so then all we want to do is we want to go in line with the candle. So we're actually a little bit down here. We want to go in line with the candle on the red line. Okay, so for a sell, it's a red line. For a buy, it's a blue line. I'll show you buys shortly. Okay, now me personally, I like to either go for a 1 to 2, which it didn't hit, but I always then come out of my trade if we then get another signal. So the long signal, so we would have got 1.34 out of that trade, which is still nice, because if you use $1,000 to as your stop loss, it means that we would have made $1,340. Okay, now let's look at a long. Okay, so a long is a buy position. If we enter on there, this time the stop loss goes on the blue line. Okay, so once it's on the blue line, me personally, like I said to you, I go for a 1 to 2. We would have smashed through that. I would have made $2,000 off of a $1,000 risk. However, look at how high this trade went. Okay, so we went all the way up to here. We did obviously retest back down, but you can see that it hit this market, which is nearly 6%. So that would have been $1,000. You would have made 6% if you held this trade open and got that high there. Now, obviously, we've got this buy in place at the moment, which we could keep an eye on and come back later on in the video to see exactly where that trade ended up. But like I said in the intro, this is a 95% win rate trading strategy or trading indicator. So it's very easy for you to get hold of. Now, what I want to also show you, the same people have a VIP signaler group. Okay, so it's called the signaler VIPs. And these are some of the trades that they do. 773%. 32.62%, 176, 117, 91, 674. Like, honestly, this is just shy of 1,000, and they are exactly, so this was done on the first 8:01 on the 27th. They sent the indicator, they sent the signal on the 20th of April 2025. So this was the signal, and then 7 days later, they made a massive 975%. Now, if you are interested, the link will be down in the description. What you want to do is head on over to this bot. Okay, so once we're in this bot, we want to click on start, and then you get multiple different options. It does come up here as well, the description. You can either have the indicator that I showed you, or you can get the VIP signal channel, or you can get a lifetime access bundle, which honestly is probably the more than likely the best option for you, because just the VIP signal group for 1 year is $570. Now, if you want this for life with any updates, any additions, it's $597. So to do that, you want to come down here, click on lifetime bundle, all access at $597. Once you've done that, click to pay by crypto, and then it gives you multiple different options to pay. If you want to pay by Trump coin, simply click on Trump. Then when you come down here, you want to click on pay now, and it will give you a contract address and tell you to send only Trump via the Solana network to this contract address. Now, once you've done that, you'll have access to everything I've just shown you in this video, and you'll be able to turn your trading journey around. Right, there we have it, guys. That is the signaler TradingView indicator, which will change your trading journey. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.